Alright, you guys. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm not really going to be working on the engine today because I'm at a standstill. Really don't want to take it to the machine shop with everything that's going on. You guys obviously know what's going on. I don't have to explain that. But I'm going to be taking apart my transmission. Reason being, anybody who wants some auto speed, who's really into it, they either know about it or it's had it happen to them. My second gear is popping out, I bought this transmission with low miles on it. It was good, shifted good, then one day it just started popping out of second gear. My first transmission never had that issue, but it had issues going into gear at higher RPMs. So I'm going to be taking this one apart, looking at it, possibly upgrading anything on the inside if I can, or just fixing the problem and keeping it moving. So you guys just stay tuned, watch. This will be my first time ever taking a transmission apart, period. But it shouldn't be too hard. There's a lot of moving parts, whatever. It's like anything. Take it apart, get it together, get it moving. And if I fail, you guys will never know because I got 2 more transmissions, so it is what it is. But you guys just watch, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the suspect right there. Get it. I gotta pop the axle out. It's just been sitting. Cleaned it up a little bit, but I need to, like I said, take it all apart. So you guys get to see all that firsthand. That's that just done for. Whew. Whew. Not too bad, not too bad. Heavy. Oh, damn. I knew. Forgot all about that. Son of a... Alright. Oh, I got one. Something that's supposed to be easy. It's not going to be a headache. If you guys can see, looks like somebody already tried to take this off, and I know it wasn't me. Like I said, I bought this tranny. I think they were trying to do it. I was using the wrong size socket or wrench or something. So now I got to figure it out. this works. Yes. Push, where the hell did I put the other bolts at? Jesus, Tori. Alright guys, this is a little gear selector. Alright. Need a little bit more power. Bring out the big gun. guys can see, I got the case off. A little tricky. Well, not tricky, but overthought it. If you are doing it yourself, there's 2 snap rings in the top of the case that you have to free up off the bearings. You have to take this big nut off to get to them. Well, on the back side of the housing. Let's see. Them right in there. Take them out. Probably need some help. But yeah. Got quite a bit of metal on the magnet. Nothing crazy, but still some metal. I'm gonna start taking the gear set out and seeing what I can find. Dropping, clicking here. There goes the input shaft, guys. I don't have to do anything to this, but you want to know what it looks like out of the training. There you go. I'll put that back in there. So you got the LSD. Everything looks alright. But like I said, I gotta start taking this stuff apart. Figure out what's bad and what's good. I gotta clean everything out. There's that magnet. All dirty, but not horrible. Synchro. This thing looks kind of beat up. Sharp edges. Alright, you guys might be able to see some of the edges of the teeth compared to these. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I'm trying to get the best view I can. But if you look at those, look at these, don't seem like much, but when you're going at higher RPMs, it could be an issue. And like I said, I still gotta figure out why it's popping out of second gear, and then I will be changing these shift fork pads to the brass ones. They don't seem like they got a lot too much wear. It's got a low mile transmission, but still, like, look at that. Just do it while I'm in here. But thank you guys for watching. That's enough for today. I'm gonna be taking and ordering parts and seeing what I can get. Mostly second gear stuff. Like I said, I have an issue with second gear, but it is what it is. But you guys, like I said before, you guys stay safe, and I'll see you next time.